Well, I think the season's been good so far. We played really well together, and basically all season expected for us to go far in the playoffs, and so we're all wanting to make a push to Sweet 16 and the state tournament. I think we play very well together. We have a lot of chemistry. We've played together since we were in 6th grade in middle school, and some of us even younger, and it helps us a lot whenever we're playing together.
In my opinion, our biggest strength is our togetherness, kind of how we bond with each other. We're real close. We spend mostly every day together, and I mean, that helps on the shows on the floor. I think my biggest role is to kind of be a mini coach on the floor, kind of help control the tempo of the game, and then dictate the pace that we go, and then just help put my teammates in the right spots.
I mean, in practices, whenever we have low energy or a coach kind of needs, hey, I'm gonna head out real quick, make sure the guys get it done. He kind of comes to me and lets me know, hey, I need you to step up a little bit right now and just be a leader for these guys. I mean, I wouldn't really say I have a set position. Coach kind of moves me around whenever he needs me at certain games. But yeah, I think I contribute a lot. I think I'm not only a scorer, I can defend, I can rebound, I can pass, I can do whatever coach needs me to do. What I would tell my team is, no matter what, no matter who we play, who the opponent is, all we have and all we play for is the name on this chest. And no matter what, we're going to continue to play and just go out there and play hard. And no matter what, just do our thing and the way we've been doing, just continue to win games.